Hello, in front of me I have MOTOROLA Moto G56, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup. Alright, so we need to open up the settings. Once we are here, we need to simply scroll down into the bottom until we find the backup or copy data. And let's click on backup data. When it comes also to this option, we are not gonna use it because this option only works for bringing the data from other device, but we cannot copy from this phone into another. So this option is not for us. We are gonna use backup data in here, and it's basically backup by Google One. So now, under the account storage, you can see your Google account that you are currently logged in, and please don't forget that mail and password to that account because it will be needed in the future if you want to restore that backup. Also make sure that you have some free space in your storage. And now, when it comes to the backup details and things that will be copied, so it will be apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings, and the Google account data. Make sure also that backup by Google One is enabled right in here, and now all you need to do is to tap on backup now. And now I need to also confirm by drawing my lock screen, and now let's simply wait. Now under the backup in here, the thin bar should appear. Okay, here it is. And you can see that it's starting slowly to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it will mean that our backup has been successfully made. We will also see an information on the bottom of the screen that our data has been backupped. So now, let's simply wait until this process is finished, and I'll see you once it's done. Okay, so the backup has been successfully made, and now you can also see next to backup by Google phrase, we can see that icon, this one, the number 1 in the circle, and we can also see how long ago the last backup was made, and basically that's the confirmation for us and that the backup has been successfully made. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.